Hello friends, Earth Day is an annual event celebrated around the world on April 22 to demonstrate support for environmental protection. First celebrated in 1970, it now includes events coordinated globally by the Earth Day Network in more than 193 countries. On Earth Day 2016, the landmark Paris Agreement are signed by the US, China and some 120 other countries. This signing satisfied a key requirement for the entry into force of historic draft climate protection treaty adopted by consensus of 195 nations present at the 2015 United Nations Climate Change Conferences in Paris. In 1969, at a UNESCO conference in San Francisco, peace activist John M.C. Kernel proposed a day to honor the earth and the concept of peace to first be celebrated on March 21, 1970, the first day of spring in the northern hemisphere. This Day of Nature's equipoise was later sanctioned in proclamation written by M.C. Kernel and signed by Secretary General U. Tunt at United Nations. A month later, a United States Senator Gaylord Nelson proposed the idea to hold a nationwide environmental teach-in on April 22, 1970. He hired a young activist, Dennis Hayes, to be national coordinator. Nelson and Hayes renamed the event Earth Day. Nelson was later awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom Award in recognition of his work. The first Earth Day was focused on United States. In 1990, Dennis Hayes, the original national coordinator in 1970, took it international and organized events in 141 nations. Numerous communities celebrate Earth Week, an entire week of activities focused on the environmental issues that the world faces.
Ways to celebrate Earth Day at educational institutions. Earth Day has made positive impacts on the environment globally, but it can also play a significant role on local level as well. Young students in particular may not realize that there are many ways they can participate in protecting the earth and make it a safer place. For example, water conservation, recycling and energy saving are all important parts of protecting the environment. Your kids or kids in your classroom could contribute to from brushing the teeth with the water off to remembering to turn off the lights off when they are not in the room. These small steps can make big impacts on the planet. There are also unique ways for students to celebrate Earth Day in the classroom. Here are a few examples. Bulletin boards. Teachers and students can build momentum for the Earth Day by creating interactive no-waste bulletin boards using recycled items and place them in classrooms. Poster projects. Students can also help encourage other students to recycle and be aware of ways to conserve and produce less waste by creating reminder posters and placing them in classroom. Vocabulary activities. Studies indicate that repetition and activities can help students process and retain about what is learned. Earth Day vocabulary lessons and activities from study.com will be useful for young students to learn new words through word recognition. Ways to celebrate Earth Day at home. Earth Day is something the entire family can celebrate together in a variety of ways at home and in community. Plant a tree. This is a great way to teach children about the importance of trees. Planting a tree together can help restore the balance of the ecosystems and creating a lasting memory of you and your family. Pick up a trash. Picking up trash and keeping the parks is a great for environment and it makes the park more enjoyable for kids to play in. Recycle. Recycling is another small way to make a big impact on the environment. There are various ways to celebrate Earth Day, not only on April 22nd, but every day of the year. Keeping the environment clean, safe and enjoyable for all of its inhabitants is a full-time job that everyone can participate in. Here are some of the famous quotes that will inspire you.
You cannot get through a single day without having an impact on the world around you. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what difference you want to make. Happy World Earth Day. Save Earth, save a life.
Love the earth as you would love yourself. Earth is a wonderful one and it's a gift for us. We have to save the nature and we have to avoid the pollution and we have to save it and let's make our life peaceful.
A nation that destroys its soil destroys itself. Forests are the lungs of our land, purifying the air and giving fresh strength to our people. Happy World Earth Day. Save trees and save Earth.
Each and every one of us can make a change by the way we live our life and be a part of the solution. Save the earth, save the life.
One of the first conditions of happiness is that the link between the man and nature should not be broken. The good man is the friend of all living things. Happy World Earth Day.
Earth is a fine place and worth fighting for. Aren't we all forget to be grateful for the Mother Earth? Let's all remember on this special day the numerous sacrifices made by the Mother Earth just to let the humans live. Let's all come together and fight together to save the Mother Earth.
Someone is sitting in the shadow today because of someone who has planted a tree a long back ago. This quote denotes that if you want a shadow tomorrow, then you must plant a tree today. Plant trees, save Earth. Happy World Earth Day 20.
Mother Earth is a living organism too. Love, honor and respect her. Happy World Earth Day. Save Earth, save a life.
One of the key elements of happiness is a link between man and nature. It shall not be broken. The secret of a best person is to eat, sleep, and grow with the lap of earth. April 22nd is a World Earth Day, and let's start preserving this earth for our future generation.
The earth is the general and equal possession of all humanity and therefore cannot be the property of individuals. So keep it safe and hand over to next generation without harm.
Don't forget that you have inherited this earth from your ancestors to pass it on to your children. The onus of taking good care of it lies on your shoulders. Happy Earth Day. Keep the earth green and be with nature.
Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, not every man's greed. Happy World Earth Day. Save Earth, save a life.
Green is the color that our planet would have if all of us could be grateful for all that it offers to us unconditionally.
The earth will not continue to offer its harvest except with faithful stewardship. We cannot say we love the land and take steps to destroy it for use of future generations. Let us all join our hands together and take initiatives to make our environment clean, safe and enjoyable for all of its inhabitants. Happy World Earth Day.